A lot of time, maximum of the business, which are specifically small or medium sized business, face a common problem, which is tracking the inventory, tracking the bills, and analyzing the sales figure, etc. So stock is a solution which can solve this all problem. It is a modern all-in-one inventory management solution which simplify the stock tracking, billing, and analysis of the business. The features include in these applications are stock management, which include adding the stock, return the stock, mark as damage, clear the stock, generate seller invoice, and some other. The second one is billing area, from where the company can generate bill for his buyers. He can handle return from here, he can handle replacement, recreate the bill, etc. from billing area. The stock details is another feature from where he can filter out the stock based on sold or unsold or damage, etc. He can set the sale price from here, GST discount from here. Next one is customizable form. This is the most interesting feature of our application, that when you will entering try to enter the details of your stock in your database, you can customize the stock entry form also. Based on your requirement, you can create a form. There are several crude operation like items, sellers, buyer, etc., which help to manage the whole system. There is a dashboard for analysis. The user can visualize the total stock value, pending bills, revenue, profit, a lot of things from this dashboard. The working is very simple. First, the company need to contact with the admin of this application, which are us. After that, we will create a company ID and password for them, and then we will give this to the company. The company will create his own operator. Then the operator can operate the whole stuff from his own login. So this is the main concept of our application. The detailed working of our application will be discussed in later videos. Thank you.